Exercise 9.3 Complements of Cambridge Primary Mathematics Workbook 3. Welcome to Sad Educare. Focus. Question 1. Which complements for 100 are shown on the blank 100 squares? Write the matching number sentence. Interesting question. Look, this is 100 square where blank, first we have to calculate 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It means 20 30 40 50 60 61 2 3 4 5. It means here is a 65. So obviously here is again 1 2 3, it means 30. 1 2 3 4 5, it means 35. So look, 65 plus 35 equals to 100. Same. So again here is 10, here is 20. So 1 2 3, it means 23. 23. And here is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, but we have to calculate up to here. So 7, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, it means 77. Okay, 23 plus 77 equals to 100. Write the six complements for 1000 using multiples of 100. Interesting thing, suppose 100 plus 900 equals to 100. Then 200 plus 800 also 1000. We can write in short form k equals to 1000. Then third, 300 plus 700, it will be 1000. Next 400 plus 600, right, it will be 1000. And all the things are multiples of 100, like 100 900 200 800, like this. So 1 2 3 4, then 5. So 1 2 3 4, 500 plus 500, it will be 1000. And finally we can write 0 plus 1000, it will be also 1000. Practice question number 3. Find the complement of 100 for each number. Write your answer in the matching square of the grid. Here is 19. So 100 minus 19, it will be 81. So here is 81. 82. So here is 18. 93. So here 7. 46. 100 minus 46. So here is a 4, carry 1 5. So 5. So here is 54. 78. 100 minus 78. So here is a 2, and here is also 2. 22. 37. 100 minus 37. So here is a 3. So 1. 10 minus 3. So here is what? Here is 63. Then 3. So 97. 51. So 49. 64. 100 minus 64. So here is a 6. Carry 1. 10 minus 3. 7. It's a 36. Okay. So very simple. Next, use the complements that you found in question 3 to write 9 number sentence that have total of 100. So from here we have to find out total 100. 9. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So 3 by 3, it's a 9 number. We need to make this one. So first we can write, we had 19, so we can write 81, it will be 100. Next 82, and here is 18. Then here is 93, so here is 7. So then we can make this one a copy, then we can easily understand, right? So we can take a copy and then we can use from here. Now 19, this one done, 82 done, 93 done, and here is a 46. So 46, it should be 54. Then 78, here is 22. Then 37, here is 63. 3, 97, right? And then 51, here is a 49. And then 64, here is 36. Okay, so everything done. Find all the pairs of numbers with 5 tens that are complements of 1000. 5 tens. Find all the pairs of numbers with 5 tens that are complements of 100. So how can we write this one? 5 tens, it means 50 plus 950. It's a 5 tens and equals to 1000. And suppose 5 tens. So 5 tens we can use like 150, and it will also 850 equals to 1000. Then we can use like 250. 5 tens here is, so here is 750 equals to 1000. Then we can write 350, and here is 650, 1000. And then we can use 450 plus 550, it will be 1000. So next 550 already here, 550, then 650, 750, 850, 950. Okay, very nice question. I hope you clear this one. Next, complete Ibrahim's statement. Remember to calculate to find the estimate. So here is a 410 and 240. So it's a 00, 415 and 426. It means 650. Complete Ibrahim's estimate. Remember to calculate to find the estimate. And then here is a 00 minus 0. Here is a 0, 4 minus, it means 0, 9 minus 3, it's a 6. So here is 600. 0, it will be 0, 2 plus 8, it will be 10, it means 0, carry 1, 7 plus 1, 8, and plus 1, 9. And 0 minus 0, it will be 0. Here is a 3, here is a 7, so we can take 1 tens in here. It will be 13. 13 minus 7 is a 6. So this one become 4. 4 minus 2 is a 2. Okay, so here is a 260. Number 7, challenge. Number 7, challenge. Use complements of 100 to help you solve these problems. There are 100 books on the bookshelf. 23 are brought. How many books are left on the shelf? So it's a very simple subtraction, 100 minus 23. So 0 minus 3, it's not possible, so it will become 10, right? So 10 minus 3, it's 7, because we take from here 7, and then here is a what, 10, but we already give 2 once, so now it's become 9. So 9 minus 2, it's a 7. So our answer is 77. Liling has 100 marbles. She lost 17 of them. How many marbles does she have left? So very simple, 100 minus 17. So we can take from here, but it's not possible. We can now take from here. Now here is a 10, and this 10 give to here, so now here is 10. So 10 minus 7, it's a 3, right? And here is 1. So now what will be the answer? Here is 100, and it was become, we give to here 1. It means this 100 and also give to here. So here is 100 minus 10, it's a 90, right? And 90 minus 1, it means here is a tens, and here is also another tens, so 8. Okay, so 83. Louis has $100. He spends $38. How much left? So 100 minus 38. So look, this is the ones, this is a tens, and this is a hundreds. So if we give in here, here is now 100, and from here we can give here 1 tens. So tens minus 8, it will be 2, and now here is a 90. 90 minus 30, it means what? 90 minus 3, 90 minus 30, it means 6. 43 centimeter was cut off 1 meter length of string. How long is the remaining pieces? Look, here is interesting thing. This is centimeter and this is meter. So 1 meter means 100 centimeter. Cut off 43. It means it's a looking 10. 10 minus 3, it's 7. Right? Now this one now become 90. Why? Look, 100 we give to here, and from here we give to 10. So here is now 90. 90 minus 40, it's a 50. So here it should be 57. So answer 57 what? Centimeter. There are 100 pencils in a pack. 32 children are given a new pencil. How many pencils are left? So look, we can write in here 100 pencil, 32. So this is now 10. 10 minus 2, it's a 8. And from here we give 100, and 100 to give here 10, so here is 90, and this 3 means 30. 90 minus 30, it's a 60, so here is 6. Answer 68 pencil. Okay, now number 8. Thank you for being with me. Next video we will discuss about question 8. So this video I am trying to solve 1 to 7. Next video we will start from 8 and try to finish this chapter. Till then, take care, keep practice, and please subscribe my channel Sad Educare. Thank you.